Hi friends, today we are back with the new video on the latest Noise Earbuds VS202. Let's straight away get into the box. It comes with a decent packaging where we have Bluetooth earbuds with manual guide and some interesting stickers and the most important Type-C cable. This is the snow white color. Now let's remove the protection and see how good it looks. The case in my hand looks pretty, and here we have Type-C port which has the capacity of 24 hours backup. Also it has the shiny look which feels like premium product. Now if we talk about the earbud, it has unique design with voice assistant on the top with the touch bar. They are really light in weight through which they can be used for the longer time frame. Here it comes with 13mm driver with HyperSync technology and the latest Bluetooth version 5.3. It also has Instacharge where you have to just charge for 10 minutes and which can give you 120 minutes playback time. I think so this is the game changer in the earbud industries. Hi guys, this is the outro of the video where I'll be sharing you the feedback of the Noise VS202. So first of all, I want to say that I have been using this earbud from last 10 to 12 hours, and as company claims that it has a 24 hours backup, so still I have 50% left, so that is correct. And also if we talk about the quality of sound, just now I am recording this video from these only. You can compare that if we are calling to someone how clear this can be, so that's why it is really good. And if we talk about the third thing, that is the Bluetooth version 5.3, so because of that the connectivity is really fast, and this really enhances this product. So it also looks like a Apple product, so that is also a good. Everyone wants to feel the same, and from sideways it looks pretty good. So that's why it's a great thumbs up from my side, and I've got this in 1200 rupees, so you can avail this limited time offer. The link would be in the description box, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe and share this channel, and also comment down if you have any question. I'll be replying. Yes, there's one more update that I'll be making an Telegram group where I'll be sharing the products comparison, because nowadays we have lots of products, and the people are really confused that which one we should buy. So that's why you can directly go to that group and see the comparison, and also you can comment down whichever product you want. I'll make the video as soon as possible. So thank you guys for supporting. Please like, share, subscribe the channel, and also hit the like button. Thank you so much.